Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, a month ago, Huawei unveiled the Huawei Y7P in Thailand, an entry level phone with a 48 megapixel main camera. Now, this phone has made it to way in the Europe as the Huawei P40 Lite E. The new P40 series smartphone is here. It's available right now on Huawei Polish site and it's cost around 163 euro from this is the phone with a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Also, you are getting a free Huawei Bands for shipment start on a March 12. As you might expect, the phone come with a Huawei apps gallery instead of the Google Play Store and similar Huawei branded replacement for the Google apps. In case you did not pay attention to the Y7P, here is the quick rounded of this spec. The Huawei P40 Lite feature a 6.39-inch IPS LCD with 720p resolution. There is an 8 megapixel punch hole selfie camera in the upper left corner. On the back there is a triple rear camera. The first camera is the 48 megapixel f1.8 plus the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and the third one is the 2 megapixel deep sensor. There is the fingerprint reader, AI powered stabilization enable handled night shoot with up to 6-second exposure, additional AI smarts organize photo into 280 categories, allowing easy search in the gallery. The P40 Lite E is an LTE phone and support 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth 5.0 along with 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB. The latter is used to charge the 4000 mAh battery at 10 watt. The phone is powered by the Kirin 710F chipset and runs EMUI 9.1 out of the box. A micro SD card is available. You can expand the micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes of storage. So far, the Huawei P40 Lite E is available only in the Polish side. Though we imagine it will spirit out the other countries as well. The phone come in the black and the Europe blue two colors. A couple of days ago, Huawei launched the P40 Lite in Europe and it's a rebrand of the Nova 6 SE. So we expect the Huawei P40 family has a 5 smartphone. Let's see in the upcoming days which more phone Huawei launch in this upcoming Huawei P40 series. Let me know your thought in the comment section and also like this video, subscribe for more tech videos and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.